And if you guys got your sounds all good and ready?
Yep.
You're ready to go.
Hi, honey. I'm home.
Hi, dear. I made dinner.
Can't wait to eat it. I am hungry after a long day of work.
I hope you like it, my love. It took me about an hour to cook.
I can tell. You must have worked very hard, my love, because it looks delicious. I could use a great meal after a bad day in the office.
Well, then this meal will definitely cheer you up.
I'm hoping this meal will cheer me up. My day at the office was terrible. Just terrible. What was that sound?
I actually have no idea. That's never really happened before. But forget about the sound, dear. Let's just enjoy dinner. I made your favorite meal. It's chicken pot pie.
You are the best, my love.
Anything for you, sweetheart.
Did you order enough broth?
Of course I did. I did what the recipe tells me to do. Is there something wrong with it?
It just tastes a bit dry.
I've made this recipe so many times. You've never complained about it before. And I followed it to a T like I always do.
Okay, well, either the chicken is dry or I'm just parched. It's got to be either of the two.
I'll get you some water, sweetheart.
Thank you.
All right, dear, just drink that and maybe that should help.
Yep, I can confirm. The chicken is still dry.
What the do you mean it's dry? I added the right amount of broth. You've never complained about this before, but every time I try to do something perfect for my husband, he always ends up criticizing me. I have had it. Also, why is that sound still happening? I do not understand.
I'm sorry, my dear. I didn't mean to.
Didn't mean to what? To be rude and insult my cooking? Well, now I guess I can say it. Sit on it!
I can still eat this, my love. I swear to you, I can. As a matter of fact, I'll eat it right now.
Yeah, that's right. Eat the chicken. Again with the sound. Jeez Louise. Why don't you get up and get it?
Yes, dear. Hi, Al. Everything okay? Yeah, she's just screaming at Chez Bon Viveur, that show she's getting the recipe from. Yeah, I'll calm her down. Have a good one, Al. It was just a neighbor. Anyway, I'm just going to finish my dinner. Honey, please, eat your dinner.
Fine. It's probably cold by now, but, you know. So, it turns out the chicken is a little bit dry.
I told you so. And you know what? That is a beautiful sound.